Hey guys, I am back for a exciting unboxing and I can't even get this in the frame here. Ugh, the Makartt box. Alright, so first thing we got on top are some tips. Actually, no, these are full color nails. These are coffin. I call these regular length, but I guess some people will call them long, but they're not like extra long, just regular long coffin nails. I will probably use that to make sets for people because that's too short for me. Alright, next we have some white poly gel. I don't think I have white poly gel, so that's cool. Oh my god. I saw this in some other people's boxes and I was hoping that I would get it. I got glitter. You guys, I love glitter. Wait, I have to open this. Please don't spill. You guys, look at that. Ah! I'm so excited. I love glitter. Okay. That's the silver one. And this one is blue. You guys, this is so pretty. This blue on top of like a pink. I'm dying. I'm so happy. I know not everyone got those in their set, so I'm happy that I got it. Okay, we have some foil glue, which I really need to get better at using foil, so I will use that as my opportunity. We got these two polishes. So this one is like a lilac. This is closed properly though, I'll tell you that. Nice lavender color. Even if I do have this color, this is a color that I will use. So I also love this color. Look at that. Not drip it all over the place. But yeah. I definitely have colors similar to these, but these colors are colors that I love, so I will use them most definitely. Okay, we have a blue and like an orange. This is a nice baby blue, cyan baby blue, something like that. That's super cute. I like that. You guys, these are closed so tightly. I love it. Okay, this is like a really bright orange yellow color. I don't think I have a color that orange yellow. That's cute. Top and base gel as well. Can never have too many of those. Yeah, I saw some people had some dark colors, which I really didn't want because I don't use dark colors, but they got me. They know what I like. Another polygel tool and nail file. Can never have too many of these. Okay, guys. I was like, what is this? Let's see. I mean, I can see what it is right now. Let me unbox it and show you. This is a nail lamp. You guys got a nail lamp. Okay, I like this. Has the button here to turn it on. I guess it's just touch because it's not an actual button. I do like that it has the mirrored bottom. That kind of makes it easier to cure underneath the nails because it reflects off of that. This is a 24 watt, so definitely not the strongest lamp, but I am gonna try it out because I think the lamp that I have now is starting to die down a little bit. And this comes with the charger. But yeah, you guys, this is the Luxe box. We've got everything. Well, can't put it in frame, but we'll try. Guys, this is not bad. This box was $35 and I think I'm happy with it. I think I like it. I'm very excited for these colors. These right here made my whole life. Love these colors. White polygel, can't go wrong with these bright colors. Love it. Top and base, polygel tool, and a lamp. So I hope that next month is just as exciting. I'm really excited to get to work with these. All right, bye guys.